How long is this video going on? Okay.
So what you gonna do on your album?
Any as you want.
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah, that's not Jerry Springer.
Yes, thank you.
And wait a minute, I don't like the lighting. Sir, and who are you?
Are you ready now?
I am ready.
Yeah, believe it or not, I'll actually shut up this time and I'll show you all my parlor tricks. So please macro focus on this. Well, not that close. Whoops. I did the S backwards again, didn't I?
No, you did it fine.
I did?
That's right. You just misspelled my name just out of spite.
Whoops.
And who are
because I drive on Meyer Road every day, that's spelled that way. I am Renault's, Notorious R-A-G. Which reminds me, one little thing here.
Yes, sir.
You like my clothing store?
Ah, very good, very good.
And there you have it.
And what school did you go to, and when did you graduate?
What do you mean? You wrote it and then took it out of one of the listings, which was our favorite Corona Del Mar High graduate, 1980.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.